Well, wearing a mask, even if fully vaccinated, is important if there's a variant or a surge coming through. The vaccine is very, very effective at preventing serious illness, death, hospitalizations, but sometimes you can still get the virus and get a mild illness and be part of the spread of the virus. So while the virus is kind of increasing its presence in the area, that's why we do masking, to minimize the spread. Well, I'll flip that. Masking outdoors really doesn't make too much of a difference because the air, it filters so fast. However, indoors, the virus, which travels on droplets as we breathe or cough or laugh, those droplets get suspended in the air for a little while and they just kind of stay in that room. So wearing a mask minimizes your droplets from going off to other people and other people's droplets getting to you, just because you don't have that good air turnover like you do outside. Yes, the best masks would be, well, medical grade N95s, which I use when I see COVID patients at the hospital. On the other absolute extreme, the gator masks actually really don't do much. The cloth masks are okay. They certainly help with the spreading of droplets and help protect you. The paper masks that you can get, those are probably the best ones to use at school if possible.